All right, how you doing today? Today we'll be taking a look at the Drum Machine Hip Hop expansion pack for the ADSR Drum Machine. There's links in the video description below. There's a couple ways you can get this. If you already have the drum machine, the ADSR Sounds Drum Machine, you can download the sample pack or the expansion pack, or you could buy it in the with the drum kit with the hip hop edition, and it's the same drum machine. You get all the other sounds with it as well. So let's see here. We got 10 kits, and we got 2 Boombap kits, 2 classic hip hop kits, 2 jazz hop kits, 2 soul kits, 2 West Coast style kits as well. And then there's patterns as with it, comes with it too. 160 unique patterns in total, 206 samples, 160 mapped samples plus 46 bonus samples. And it's 141 megabytes when you download it. So in this video, I'm just going to go through some of the demos, sounds, the different kits, and some of the patterns. I made a whole other video on the actual ADSR drum machine that you can check out all the different features and stuff like that. There'll be links in the description for that as well. And yeah, let's just get right into this. Let's check it out. All right, cool. So there you go. Check out the hip hop expansion pack. Check out the ADSR Drum Machine. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. If you want to check out some of the other expansion packs, check out the video here, or the ADSR Drum Machine, check out the video here. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.